Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own custom chat module. This is the first in a series I'm going to be doing on game development on my channel. This is a very easy tutorial in that you don't need like any scripting expertise whatsoever. You can just hop right into Studio, follow this tutorial, and you will be rocking and rolling. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so in order to create your custom chat, first what you're going to want to do is load into the game. If I go a little too fast, you can go back to the video. I'm going to try and do this as quickly as possible, just so you can learn a bit. So in order to create your custom chat, first what you're going to want to do is load into the game, whether that be through this little button in the top left or this play button right here at the top of the screen. However long that takes you to get in, it doesn't matter. Once you're in though, you can see this bland chat UI that we're going to change. It's just the default, there's nothing special about it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go under chat, under Explorer, and I have my Explorer up here in the corner here, up over top of my properties. This is how I have it set up. So if yours doesn't look like mine, don't worry, just mine's up here. So go to Explorer, wherever that may be on your Roblox studio, wherever you set it up. Go to chat and click the drop down on chat and grab all this stuff in chat, highlight it all, so just click and drag, copy this, and now once you've copied this, what we're going to do is we're going to press stop to send us back into studio mode. And now that we're in studio create mode basically, we're going to go down to chat again and we're going to paste it in here. So this basically gives us the ability to customize all of our chat settings and stuff. So what we're going to do is first we're going to go underneath chat again. We're going to go underneath client chat modules. We're going to click this little drop down. Then we're going to double click on chat settings. It brings us into this script. And the first thing we're going to do on line 27 is change module.bubblechat enabled equals true. So this will display bubble chat above your head when you type something. Basically, it's just, I think it looks nice, but it might not be for everybody. So if you don't want bubble chat, you can just leave it as what it was set to, or you can set it to false. I am going to set it for true because I like the way it looks and I want it in my game. So next, on line 39, you're going to want to change after enum.font you're going to want to change source sans bold to whatever font that you like. And for instance, Fredoka 1, I like Fredoka 1, it's my favorite font, it's new. It's like a bubbly chat basically, and that's what I just like to have and I've used so far. So I'm changing mine to Fredoka 1. You can do whatever you want, whatever Roblox font you want to use. And now that I've changed that, if we go back and play again, you will see that our classic chat has now changed. Not the bubble chat. The bubble chat above my head is going to be the same for now, and I'll show you how to change that. So now it shows in Fredoka 1 font, hi, by me, Frenzy. So now that our chat has changed our font, that's our classic chat that's changed, we can go and we can play around with stuff like on line 14. If you want to change window draggable to true and window resizable to true, you can have these false as well, it doesn't matter. I'm going to have them set to true just for the sake of showing them off. I'm going to set those and I'm going to join again. And now once we're in, you can notice that we can play around, we can move the window, it's draggable now, and we can also resize it. So if you want to just have a really flexible UI, you can do that. I think it's really nice. It adds a lot of production value because not a lot of games use this style. So I like it. It still reads the same. So you can put it wherever you want, resize it to whatever you want, which is really cool. And super customizable. Also in chat settings, there's a lot of things you can change with regards to the colors of the box and the error messages, and even the font of the input text, which is where you would I'll join again just to show this off. The input text is right here, where it says to chat, click here, press the slash key. You can change the font of that too. I'm gonna just save time for the sake of time. So I'm gonna go down next to, sorry about that. Next, I'm gonna go down underneath chat again. I'm just gonna go to bubble chat. And inside bubble chat, what you're gonna do is on line 53, you're gonna wanna change enum.font font.source sans. You're going to change the source sans part of it, whatever font you want again. I'm going to still use Fredoka 1. And now if we rejoin, we can see that it's still draggable. But now when we type something above our head, our bubble chat is now changed to the new font. This is nice. Also in bubble chat settings, you can change things like down here you can change the color of the bubble, obviously, and stuff like that. I don't recommend changing many of the values below this point. Like once you get past here, you can change the color of the bubble, obviously. You can change a lot of stuff about the size and font and all that. I just wouldn't go past that because it gets pretty advanced and it's not very beginner friendly, and you might accidentally mess something up and goof up the whole script, which I've done a lot of in my course of like making Roblox games. But that's all I've got for today's video. Catch you in the next video. But that's all I've got for today's video. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to add server input into your chat, your custom chat. So like every 60 seconds, there will be server input, like saying something like you could put in like little hints or notifications as well, just that you want people to see. That'll happen like every 5 minutes or on a set interval time. Also, it will show when someone joins or leaves the game in the chat. It'll type it in a custom color that you set. And so in the next video, I'm going to be covering that, so stay tuned for that. If you made it to the end of the video, congrats. Obviously, thank you for watching to the end of the video. It helps me out a lot, and I hope you learned something. I don't think I'm going to be adding or providing the links to my finished products and stuff, just because I don't think people learn from that. They just go straight to the description and try and download the finished product, and they don't learn. They just try and compile people's stuff together, and it just doesn't work. And so I don't believe that I'm going to be doing that. So if you'd like to learn something, you can watch to the end of the video and obviously figure out how to do that. And that's all I've got for today's video. Peace out.